Here we are, the Saturday at Goodwood Revival, stand 360. Early start again, already getting busy, already sunny. Having a bit of a recharge with some cups of coffee.
Hang on.
Lazzy's feckling. Yeah. Yeah, Lazzy's dad here, who's also called Laz.
He's got the power of fag going on.
Laz over here, giving a bit of a polish on the Jag. I suppose the
French polishing.
yeah, the only small disappointment we've had is that somebody's pinched one of our tables. But I suppose it's a small bugbear, but you know, we'll live with that one. Anyway, come and see us. Stand 360 over the road. Fantastic day, and come and have a look at these two wonderful nut and bolt restorations we brought with us. See you soon.